Hi there. It looks like you're interested in renting your RV. Well, you're at the right place because RV & Go doesn't charge any fees to list. Plus, it should take less than 5 minutes. Let me show you how quick and easy it is to create your RV listing. You'll have to list your RV by its type as well as its year, so make the appropriate choices, and let's continue. Before we move forward, let's make sure you have a free account with us. This allows potential renters to better understand who they're renting from, and verifies you with us, the RV & Go team. So get yourself an account, and let's move on. Now then, we need to know a little bit more about your listed recreational vehicle. Fill out the fields regarding RV class info, insurance, RV interior details, your custom prices, any photos you have of your vehicle, and finally, those sweet features it possesses. Remember, your RV will not be active on the site until you check the Activate Listings box on the Features tab. That means that potential renters won't see your RV on the website, so make sure when you're absolutely certain with all your information that you check that Activate Listing box, and then you'll be good to go. Now, in order to receive payments right away, you need to make sure you complete your account page. At the top of your screen, hover over the word Host and click on the Account button in the drop-down menu. This page needs to be filled out completely for your listing to be active and able to receive payment. Don't worry, we use Stripe for our credit card payment processing, keeping our site secure and your information well protected. And that's it. Your RV is actively listed on RVandGo.com, and now you're ready to book rentals for your recreational vehicle. We hope this video was helpful in guiding you on one of our site features, so keep an eye out in the future for more video content just like this.